Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Abdul Store. My user group plugin is a unique Joomla plugin which enables a custom multiple user group registration. By default, Joomla provides you only one group to be selected for a front-end user to be registered. But by using this plugin, you will have multiple groups for your front-end users, which will make them enable to select other than one selected user groups. They can register with the multiple groups. Once installed, you have access to customer support and updates in order to ensure that you are taking advantages of all the features that my user groups plugin offers. Check out its features. It's easy configuration. It has enables to select multiple user groups at registration. It has detailed documentation. Paid version has 3 months of customer support. It is compatible with the community builder component, and there are two translation available for this plugin, which is English and Arabic.